Hello watchers, today I have got a gorgeous PAPERGANG box for you guys. This is just, look at those little foxes and the stags and the little details on the leaves, the robins. It's just, I love it so much. I love this design. It's just gorgeous. On the side. Oi! I managed to do it once this time. In one go this time. Oh, we've got black tissue paper. Oh, what's this at the bottom? Okay, we'll start with the bits at the bottom. Got a little coupon code for pasta? Who has pasta put through the... Anyway. Okay. Oh, so this is gift wrap, I'm guessing, of the beautiful box design. Just look at that. That is beautiful. You can't use this as gift wrap. It's too gorgeous. I wish in a way that they would somehow figure a way to roll these and put them in the box, but I know it means the design will be a lot smaller then, so you don't get these creases. But it's gift wrap, so you're supposed to use it as gift wrap. But it's too gorgeous to use as gift wrap. Come on. I mean, even the little snowflakes. Just lovely, lovely, lovely jubbly. Okay, so we've got some gift wrap, and then there's nothing else under that. And then I will do it this way. Look at these goodies. Look at these goodies. Okay, so on the top we've got 6 Christmas cards and envelopes. So are these going to be the all the same, or no, they're different designs? So you've got 2 of each design, but just look at these in the gold foiling. I'm guessing that, yeah, they're blank inside, but these are so small but yet so cute. And the colors of these things, I mean, I'm trying to put a colour palette together for something I'm working on, and I'm having such a headache trying to work out what colours to sort of go, but yet represent what I'm doing. And I would never in a million years put these colours on for like a winter thing, but it works so well. The designers of this are little geniuses, but look, that stag is... Oh, and the little bird, oh, the little robin. I think it's a robin anyway. Robin redbreast. It has to be for Christmas, come on. But these are just, oh, these are so cute and so precious. Then we've got, oh, an enamel pen. We have a foxy. Look at the cuteness of this. And it's so nice. Just a 1 pin thing, little gold enamel pin. Then we've got our little booklet as always. Then we've got our blank monthly thing that you can use, and they've gone back to the original sort of very, like, you can see all the pixels. Like, it's not a very good print, so they've gone back to that, whereas before it used to be, they went from bad print to a good print, now back to a bad print, so I don't know what they're doing, but it's just a little freebie calendar thing, so that's, pay no mind to that. Then we've got a shopping list, but just look at these blues against the redness of the fox. It's just gorgeous. We've got a lot of shopping to do. Look at the little foxy on the bottom. I'm assuming these are done with gouache originally, because they look like they could be gouache. Oh, and then look at this. This is just gorgeous. Is it plain or lined, or it's lined, but it's faint lined, ruled, I suppose. If the camera will sort of show you the lines a little bit on there. And then a little bookmark as well, a blue, which is always a nice black and blue. But look at these details. This is just so beautiful. I love this box so much. And these are all very useful items to me as well. So let's read what it says in the magazine and find out who the designers are. Okay, designed by Papio Press. Is it two people? Zana and Harry, the creative minds behind beautifully illustrated UK based brand Papio Press. Guys, well done. This stuff is just beautiful, and I'm guessing you've got more stuff as well that I'm just gonna look at their studio. Yep, I'm gonna have to research you guys, because I'm instantly in love with your designs. This is just delightful. Oh, in that beautiful pattern again. And then O'Day's advertisements. But I love, this is, now this is definitely my favourite Papergang box of the year by far. Like seriously, huge, by far my favourite. But I did love, because this is, I think their Christmas box. I think they sort of don't do December's because it takes a while to get here. So it's like Christmas is already there. So I think they do their Christmas box in November. I don't know. Maybe they'll do one next month. I don't know. But last year's November box I loved and adored as well. And I'm trying to just think, do I prefer this one over that one? I don't think it's fair to decide which one's the favourite. But oh my god, I love. It's like they go all out in November, you know. So I just love this so much. I got an email this morning from Papergang saying that the box is now sold out. This mum's box. So if you did want it, I'm sorry guys. You're gonna have to hope that someone puts one on eBay or something, because Papergang are completely sold out of this box, and I completely understand why. This is just so gorgeous. I have got a referral code down below for you to sign up for Papergang if you want to take advantage of that. But like I say, it's too late to get this mum's box, but you might like next mum's box. But this is just, it's so gorgeous. I'm just thinking I might actually frame like a couple of these and just have them like in the hallway and add a little bit of pop into the hallway for Christmas. I don't know. We shall see. If I do it, I'll put it on Instagram so you guys can see. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this box. Is this something you guys really like as well, or is it just me? But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As always, please like and subscribe. It does help me continue making these things and sharing these things with you guys. But in the meantime, happy architecting.